Hello guys, this is Hassan from HTFX and welcome to another video. Okay, I would like to talk about XTZ Bitcoin chart. Okay, this one is at daily. Okay, and here's what's going on so far. Now, from the Elliott perspective, okay, we have something that actually started from here. Okay, and it's going, and this triangular formation, as you can see, it actually comes up here. Okay, after this triangular formation, you can see the market starting pushing up. So this is why I think this particular triangle is the turning point of the chart. Okay, so what I am looking for is what's happening after the triangle. Okay, and when you want to combine this, you can see that this is the trend line that was working at the moment before this new move started. Okay, this is the resistance. Now it turns into the support here. Okay, so this is the part that that should be very important. Okay, this trend line is what's matter for this chart at the daily. Now if you want to label this triangle, how would I do it? Well, it looks to me like this is how it should be done. I would say that we have some type of wave A here. This is happening at the end of a complex correction. So it means that whatever this triangle is, it is a non-limiting triangle, okay? It is probably something like this. So this is the X wave of the triangle, and this is the C wave, okay? And we probably have some type of a zigzag pattern here after this. Okay, so ABCX, A, of course, without actually this. So this is the B wave, this is the C wave. Now, most people usually make this mistake about this being the E wave here. Now, look, the E wave of any E wave of any non-limiting triangle, most of the times, okay, no, wrong sentence. Okay, let me fix that. ANC trend line of any non-limiting triangles should not be clean. Okay, in here we needed this E wave to come and pierce it, which is what it does. Now look at this, A, B, C, D, E. That's how it looks like. E wave. It is a triangle on its own. It's maybe not. It can be some type of a zigzag X-way and triangle too. Same pattern but in a different way. Okay, and so that can be too. That's how it can happen as well. Also, this can be in a different wave too. For example, it depends. So what I did this here, discount. You may not agree with discount. Okay, because why? Well, it's because of this move here. But when I did look at it for the first time, I actually thought about this being after the X wave, this ABC with a flat with a simple correction. I'm sorry, flat with a C failure. So this is why I actually thought to myself, okay, this is the end of the wave from here to here and not here. If that's the case, this discount should be it. And it means that on the bigger degree, something ended here in my count. Okay, so this is what it means. Now if if you guys think this is the end of the move, then you cannot label this like this. Okay, then you should say something like this. So A, B, probably you can say maybe a C wave like this. Okay, so it can be elongated flat, which is something that can happen. So elongated flat for a double combination, it can happen too. But I did prefer this more because I did prefer this more. Now, if this is the case, then there's something should also end here. And now what it starts is maybe even this, maybe even finish something on the bigger degree. We don't know it yet, okay? but I don't want to go to in one more degree up at the moment. But what I want to see is what kind of move I have here. So look, this is the probably the end start of the chart, and this is the end of the move. So of course I would think that this is the wave A. Now, where would I put my wave B? Well, this should look like a good place for it. Well, let's check if we have 618 or no. So if this is the E wave, let's actually do a better job and let's remove this. Okay, so this is the place, and let's put this back here. Okay, and this is it. So what I should do is I should take my fib level from the start of the move to the end of the move and look at the 618. Okay, now it looks like we have a 618 here. If we have a 618 here, then what does this mean? Well, it means that it doesn't matter if you have this time perspective here or no anymore, okay? Because if that's the case, then this is a flat pattern. But if, for example, let's say that we made a mistake and this is the end of wave E, let's check actually like this too, because this does look like a flat, more like a zigzag pattern than a flat. Then we would do like this, and no, we still have 618. Okay. Well, in that case, actually, I wouldn't know. It's so close. But now, if you put it like this, then the time perspective changes. So I would say that this move here, what I think I would put it like this. If I put like this, then the fib ratio changes. Now that fib ratio actually changed, it means that we have an A, B. Well, it looks like we have a C wave here. Now, if we have the C wave here, you have to ask yourself one question. Now, A, B, C, is this a simple correction or a complex correction? Well, if it's a simple correction, it means that on this degree, something should finish here, okay? But look, in here, as you can see, it looks like nothing is finished. Why? Because when you drove your 0 to B trend line, the future price action, which I'm talking about the C wave, after the C wave, it should have come down and breaking the 0 to B trend line. Okay, but it doesn't do that. So what does this tell you? Well, it tells you whatever this move is after the C wave is nothing but an X wave. Now it looks like what we have here is some type of an box shape move. So it looks something like this. So this is it. This is it. And the market is, it's probably some type of a flat move, okay? Yeah, it can be a triangle too, but it does more look like a flat, this. So whenever this is done, the market should make a new wave to the upside, okay? Now what I would like to see, okay, of course, is the following. If this move comes back to here, to our support zone, okay, then I would like to see a move to the upside after that, okay? This is on the ideal world. This is what I would like to see. And also, if I look at this from the RSI perspective, I would like to see if that moves coming here and goes to the oversold territory, okay? In that oversold territory here, right around here, I would be even happier if we have a print that is less than this one here, actually. So if you will see something like this, I don't actually trade this. I don't trade this Bitcoin stuff. Okay, so I'm sorry, but it's true. It's the honest answer. I don't trade Bitcoin, but you know, this is just an educational purposes view. So this is why when I say I would buy it here, I would never personally buy from my money this kind of stuff. I only trade forex. However, for the educational purposes, you know, if this is the logic dictates that this is where you would think it is more likely to see buyers around here. That's, I think, what I should say. And this consolidation period can actually go a little bit further, actually, it looks like. And in itself, it has this point here. You can see that it has some type of a value. And if you actually would like to see from a fib perspective, okay, we can draw a fib from the start of our move to the end of the CUA. And as you can see, the lows are usually coming to 50% here. Okay, this is 50%, 50%, 50%. So we are at Fibonacci 50%. Now, look at this. If this comes around 618 to this level, I would like it. Okay, so I hope this makes sense, guys. And look, it is also 382 plays an importance as well. So I hope this makes sense, and I would like to see you on different videos as well. So thank you so much, guys.